So welcome to another themes video, part 2, where we are trying to price option using binomial models. So previously we spoke about using the findings from the replication strategy to find our binomial model. So one thing about the replication strategy is that it takes time to prove. That is why I didn't go into details about proving it. Maybe later on I can go back and try to prove it step by step. But for now, we're just gonna use the findings. Now we're gonna do the applications of that replication strategy to find the value of our share, to price our share. So we say that in order to do this, we need to be given our volatility parameter, which is sigma. So and then we say that the price of the share in an upstate of the binomial model of the binomial model is going to be like this, and the downstate, the value of the share in the downstate is going to be this way. It's going to have this equation. And I also say that you should keep in mind the different, that there is a negative here for the downstate, and the positive, and the upstate is going to just be a positive sigma. So I will try to give an example using a European call option, because it's so much easier to give an example using one option. But then later on I will work through different kind of options, American call options, put option, and also other exotic or vanilla options as well. So we spoke about the change of time here. So I just wanted to clarify that the change of time is basically this equation over here. Is that if we have a 2 binomial model or maybe a 3 binomial model, you are simply going to divide it by that number of models. You're gonna divide the maturity by the number of models. So basically what we want is to find the artificial probability of up and down, and we also want to find the price of the asset in upstate and the downstate. So to find the value of the asset, right? So to find the artificial probability, this is what we do. This is what we get. So this is what we in this equation, which we have proved up there using the replication strategy. So I will do two examples. So suppose that we have a two period binomial model, which has a maturity at 6 months. So we say that this maturity is gonna, so the maturity we denote it by capital T, which is gonna be 6 over 12 months. So which is gonna be 1 over 2, right? Meaning that the change of time is gonna be 1 over 2 all over 2, because we are looking at 2 model, like two period is gonna be 1 over 4. We are told that the price of a share at inception is gonna be $90, and the volatility parameter is going to be 0.1, or which is 10%. So now they say that construct the share price. We are told that at inception it cost $90. We will have $90. Before we go to $90, we say that to find the upstate of the market, you will have ST multiplied by E, the square root of change of time, and you will have STK. This is for if it goes down, E sigma, negative sigma, change of T, the square root, right? We can just basically say this is going to be S. I'll just say K, K, up and down. So this is going to be your up, this is going to be your down. So to find your down, to find your up state is basically going to be E, and we say that our volatility parameter is going to be 0.1%, the square root of 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and your answer is going to be 1,051, right? And for your down state, you will have E minus 0.1, the square root of 1 over 4, 0,951. So this is your U and D, right? So instead of writing the whole thing, you can just write U. You just have S times U or S times D. So what is another thing that we need to know? At the moment there is nothing, so we will try to construct this. So we are told that the price of a share, it costs 90 rand at T0. So this is going to be T0, we will have T1, and we will have T2 because it's going to be 2 period. So at T1, your share is going to cost 90 times U, because it's going to go up, right? Here it's going to cost 90 D, and then it's going to go like this, and like that. So here it's going to cost whatever this number is, it's going to be 90 UD or DU, and here's going to be 90 DD, and here's going to be 90 UU, right? So what are these values? So here our answer is going to be 94,61, and here is going to be 85,61, and here is going to be 99,47, and here is going to be 90, and here is going to be 84,43. So I hope this makes sense. So this is going to be at maturity. So you have basically found the value of the share in all the state of this two-period binomial model. So we're going to go through one last example. This time we are looking at a three-period binomial model. So now it simply means that your up state, you will have E sigma, the square root of change of T, and change of T now is going to be 1 over 6, because change of T is going to be maturity, which is 1 over 2 all over 3, so it's going to be 1 over 6. So your answer for U is going to be 1,04, and for D is going to be 0,96, right? Remember that the only difference is that it will have a negative sigma, the square root of 1 over 6, right? So this is going to be your answer, right? When you draw this model now, you will have T0, you will have T1, you will have T2, and you will have T3. The share cost 90 rand, as they have said. The risk parameter, or the volatility parameter, is still going to be 10%. So first period, you will have 90 U, and then you will have 90 D, right? For the second one, you will have 90 UU, you will have 90 UD, and you will have 90 DD. And in the third period, you will have 90 UU, and then you will have 90 UD, and then you will have 90 UDD, and then you will have 90 DDD. And these values are going to be as follows. It's going to be 93, 86.75, 86.4, and here's going to be 82.92, 90, and then here's going to be 97.65, and here these values here, by the way, they should be the same. This should be the same as this. This should be the same as this. So, and this should also be the same. So, meaning that the price is going to be at 86.4, and here's going to be at 93.75. You are only left to find the last one. It's going to be 79.63 and 101.73. So these are the price of your shares at each node. So you have 3 models. You can find your prices at each node. So we will look at finding other parameters later on. I will release a video, 2 or 3 more videos later on. Maybe I can release another one to explain the replication, to explain the replication strategy, although it is unlikely. I cannot promise that one. So I will try to make time to produce 2 more videos to explain more and to do more examples to find the value of our portfolio of an option for both American and European option, and a call and put option, as well as any other exotic options. Thank you.